Today, I'll show you how to view Microsoft Bookings the same way your students or clients see it. This is really useful if you want to double check your setup, make sure everything looks professional, and confirm that your appointment types and availability are showing up correctly before you share the link with anyone. We're going to look at two different situations. First, how to preview your personal bookings page, which is where people can schedule one-on-one meetings with you. Then we'll go over how to preview a shared bookings page, which is typically used by teams, departments, or shared services. Let's start with your personal bookings page. When you open Microsoft Bookings, you'll land on the home screen. From here, you want to look for the option that says, Go to my booking page. This is usually pretty prominent on the main dashboard. Go ahead and click that. When you click Go to my booking page, Microsoft Bookings will open your live public-facing booking link in a browser tab. This is exactly what your students or clients will see when they follow your link to schedule time with you. Take a moment to scroll through this page. You should see your one-on-one meeting types, any descriptions you've added, the duration of each appointment, and the time slots that are currently available based on your calendar settings. This is a great time to check for any small mistakes. Look at the names of your meeting types to make sure they're clear. Confirm that the right times are showing, especially if you work across time zones. You can even walk through the booking process yourself up to the confirmation step just to see how smooth it feels from their perspective. If something doesn't look right, you can go back into your booking settings, make adjustments, and then refresh this page to see the changes. Now let's move on to shared bookings pages. These are often used when multiple people are offering the same service or when you have a shared calendar for a team. To preview one of these shared pages, start back in Microsoft Bookings. On the main screen, you'll see a list of your available booking pages. Find and select the specific shared page you want to review. Once you've selected it, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu or sidebar with different options. Click on the one labeled Booking Page. When you're on the Booking Page settings screen for that shared page, look near the top for a link that says Open Published Page. Click that link. Just like before, this will open the live published version of that shared bookings page in a browser tab. Again, this view is exactly what your students or clients will see for that shared page. Scroll through and make sure the services, staff options, and available times all look correct. If multiple people are bookable on this page, check that their names and roles appear the way you expect. If you need to tweak anything, head back into the shared page settings, make your changes, then refresh the published page to confirm everything updated properly. By using these two options, Go to my booking page for personal bookings and Open Published Page for shared bookings, you can confidently review your setup from your audience's point of view before sending out any links.